Just chilling in my motherfucking slab. Y'all ain't seen this bitch in a whole year. About to get the maps and shit hooked up. Know what it is, man. Ain't seen this bitch in a whole year, man. My nigga died, man. Y'all about to see this bitch, man. R.P. Tristan in the trunk. This one for y'all fuck niggas, man. For real, man. R.P. Mike, man. This nigga daddy of the game, man. He taught a nigga everything, man. So we gonna shine for you, man. Gonna shine for you, man. That nigga don't wanna tell me how to be the walking bankroll that don't fold for y'all fuck niggas that's always talking down on the nigga, man. Cause I got money, bitch. For y'all fuck niggas that talking down on the nigga, bitch, I got money, bitch. And it ain't today, tomorrow, money. It's everlasting money, bitch. I ain't falling off no more. So, bitch, you better see where I'm at, cause I ain't falling off no more, bitch. Number Jackson, bitch. My name's Andrew. Keep Jackson, bitch. Yeah. Get your money up, get your weight up, bitch. Just coming live from the motherfucking crock pit. Double roofs. You see it's raining outside, them double roofs. Double roofs, man. Double roofs, man. Double fucking roofs, man. Hold up. Po Bow, my nigga still here, man. He ain't dead, man. He ride with me every day, man. My nigga ride with me every motherfucking day, man. Check your resume, y'all. Fuckboy got a week notice. I'm coming full-fledged at y'all bitch ass, man. 2 cars, man. Might be a car in the truck, man. Never know how this shit might look. Keep your eyes open and your mouth dry, bitch, cause I'm about to stick it in y'all world, man.